How to debug a piece of code in Python? To debug a piece of code in Python, you can use the following methods. Printing statements. Add print statement in code to print the variable values at different stages of the code to see where it is breaking or not functioning as expected. Debugging tool. Use debugging tools like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, etc., which allows you to set breakpoints in the code and analyze the variable value, stacks traces, etc., to identify the error. PDB, Python Debugger. Python comes with an inbuilt debugger called PDB, which allows you to step through the code, set breakpoints, and analyze variable values. Logging. Use logging module to log the error messages and debug information. IDEs. Integrated development environments like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, etc. provide an interactive console which allows you to execute code interactively and inspect variable values. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.